Hi, it's Akayani with The Living Connection, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about oral therapy, daily oral therapy. I posted a photo of that very powerful herbal mouthwash that's manufactured by Dr. Schultz's American Botanical Pharmacy out of Marina Del Rey, California. And it appealed to me because, sure, I want fresh breath. I'm also was motivated because I don't like using fluoride mouthwashes. The mouthwashes that you find commercially available are made with formaldehyde, and they have fluoride in them. And those things, contrary to popular belief, are not good for you, are not good for your teeth, are not good for your brain, and really aren't doing anything for you. So I was also, or had been experiencing some pain in my teeth because I could tell, I have a dental appointment coming up, and I could tell that I had some kind of infection going on because every time I was flossing, which I do daily, my gums were bleeding profusely. And also there was just some pain around an area that dentists had told me for years was a cavity. They didn't offer a solution to it, but they did tell me it was a cavity. So I thought, all right, I'm going to give it a try. And so I did. And this stuff is like, wow, it is really, really powerful. It's all botanical ingredients. It's all vegan. It's wild crafted. It's 100% organic, of course. And it's got things in it such as echinacea, it has tea tree leaf, it has thyme, bayberry, white oak, peppermint leaf, wintergreen oil, licorice root, habanero, cinnamon bark, clove bud, and of course the ever-present garlic bulb. So what this particular product does, according to the American Botanical Pharmacy, is that it can help strengthen your gums, helps tighten them because it has herbs inside of it that are astringent. So that's good. That's a good thing. You want healthy, tight gums. You have a better chance of protecting your teeth that way. Unhealthy gums, loose teeth, etc., rotten teeth. It also is good as a tongue wash because there's a lot of bacteria that can live in the crevices of your tongue. So if you want to, you can even get yourself a scraper, a tongue scraper, and use this to clean your tongue. It'll penetrate into the crevices, and it will also help make your breath that much fresher. And as far as your tonsils go, it's a disinfectant for your entire oral cavity. So you can gargle with this. So the technique is comes in a little cap, shake up the bottle vigorously, pour in ½ an ounce, you'll see the mark there, and then gargle. Do that twice and then spit it out. I was pretty amazed the first night that I did this, is that aside from the awesome strength of this stuff, there was also just kind of some phlegm or some, mucus, some other things that came up as well that I spit out, which I was happy to get out of my body. So there you have it. The daily oral therapy is a wonderful alternative to the commercial mouthwashes and so-called oral maintenance or therapies that are out there on the market. It can help remove trapped food particles from your teeth and gums. It's antiseptic, it's disinfectant, it's good for your tonsils, and it can, of course, help prevent the buildup of plaque, which, as we know, increases the chance of tooth decay, and with the added benefit that it freshens your breath. I've posted a link in this video how you can get it if you're watching me on my YouTube channel. If you are watching me on my Facebook page, then you already see the photo of the glass bottle that the oral therapy comes in. and you can go to the Shop Now link up above to check it out. And again, if you're a first-time user, whether you're watching me on YouTube or whether you're watching me on Facebook, you can quickly create an account by following the link and get 15% off your first order on full-priced sales items. Not on sale items, but on full-priced items, I should say. On full-priced items, you can get a 15% discount if you're a first-time user. And of course, you can always use the code again and again anytime you want to shop for products at American Botanical Pharmacy online. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Enjoy yourself. Happy spring. It's coming.